how to convert video to audio on iPhone. So let's get started. First thing first, search for the shortcut app on your iPhone. Once inside the shortcut, simply tap on the plus icon available in the top right corner of your screen in order to create a new shortcut. Then simply tap on the new shortcut option available on the top and tap on the rename and rename this. Write down the convert to audio option or convert to mp3 according to your preferences and set it to done. Now tap on the share icon available in the bottom bar. After you tap on the share icon, a pop-up option will appear. From there, tap on the show in share sheet option toggled on. So that is it. Now you'll have to move to the second option, and that is tap on the images and 18 more, and from there toggle off every switch except for the videos option available there. Then toggle on the video. Now tap on the done. Then tap on the add action available there. Now all you have to do is search for the encode media in search address bar and simply tap on it. Now tap on the shortcut input right next to the encode media, then toggle on the audio only option available there. After that, in search address bar, search for the save file option available and tap on it. Now all you have to do is tap on the encode media, tap on the encode media arrow icon, then there you will get to see override the file exist option. Simply toggle it on. Now we are all set. Go to the settings app on your mobile device. Inside settings app, all you have to do is look for the shortcut app. Scroll down and look for the shortcut app and tap on it. If you can't find the shortcut app here, then all you have to do is search in the search address bar by scroll up and tap on the search address bar and type down shortcuts, and there you will get the shortcut app. Now tap on the shortcut app. Inside shortcut app, you will get to see iCloud sync option available there. You will have to toggle on the iCloud sync, and after you toggle on it, you will have to tap on the advanced and toggle on the first option available there. After you toggle on allow running scripts and iCloud sync, go back again, and this time tap on the photos option available on your device and look for any video you want to convert to audio. Now all you have to do is tap on the share icon available in the video in the bottom left corner of your screen, and a pop-up menu will appear. From there, scroll down and there you'll get to see convert to mp3 option available there. Tap on it and you'll get a tick or option available on the top of your screen. Now tap on the browse file option available in the bottom and save it to your files. After you tap on the browse files, you will be navigated to your iPhone file, and you will have to save your video or audio in a specific folder. Here you can find it easily. So there, tap on the my iPhone or my files option available and it will be saved there. Now you can see the audio is saved. All you have to do is go to the files in your mobile app, go to the files in your iPhone, and inside there you will find the video turned into the audio. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.